You know, when I'm looking for a taste of Greece, this is my quick go-to meal. Quick and easy Greek chicken. Make it in 20 minutes, so let me show you how to do this. What you want to do first is add some oil to a pan over medium-high heat. And this is about a tablespoon. Add in some boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I've cubed up. And this is about, I'd say a pound or half a kilo. Of course, we're going to season this up with some salt, ground black pepper, my all-time favorite, some rosemary, just gotta have that rosemary, and thyme, and this is all about a teaspoon of each. And we're just gonna stir and fry this up just until the chicken is cooked through. And we got some color happening there. And what you want, guys, is just to have the chicken browned. And, I can smell that seasoning coming through right now. Next up, I'm going to add in 3 cloves of chopped garlic. And we'll just saute this for a few minutes until that wonderful aroma of garlic fills the air. Now that garlic smells so good, I'm going to add in, half a cup, or about 3/4 of black olives. About 6 artichokes that I've cut in half, and about, I'd say 1/4 to half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes. And we're going to stir and saute this over medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. This looks just wonderful. And I should mention too, guys, that if you don't have artichokes, you can use asparagus, Brussels sprouts, or even broccoli, but I just like the artichokes. After about 3 to 5 minutes, I'll just kill the heat. And my friends, we are done it. And this smells so good and it looks beautiful. Now what I have here is some pre-cooked brown rice. And this is going to be so good with this dish. Serve our Greek chicken over the top. Garnish this up with some parsley. And sorry guys, my parsley doesn't look the best. And you know what? I would even be tempted to put some feta over top, but I keep getting criticized for using too much cheese, so I won't. And there you have it, my friends, our fast and easy Greek chicken. So good, so delicious, and so easy. Okay guys, let's grab some of this up and see what we have. I want to get a little bit of everything here. Just look at that. Wow. This is gonna be so delicious. And as always, a Greek chicken cheers. Okay, it's time for that wonderful time I love so much. This is really good, guys. I love the artichokes. They've got that wonderful kind of tarty flavor to them. Not really a tarty, but it's got a real nice bite to them. Chicken is tender, seasoned beautifully. Love the olives. This is absolutely delicious and so easy to put together. You've got to make this. Of course, I'm going to have more. As always, for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. We do have some merchandise available now. I'll put a link below in the description, and I'll put a little thing up top in the video too, so you'll be able to see it, take a look, and give us some feedback, see what you like. If you haven't already subscribed, do so please, because we are nearing that 1 million mark. Big party, big celebration. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and see you next time.